Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wellington City. Check it out. What's up, gang, and welcome to my channel. Today it's super hot in New Zealand, and so it's a summer season. That's why today I'm in the hunt of big fan, world's biggest fan, to get in my house. So yep, we are here, baby, to find the biggest fan of the world. So to get that fan, the big fan, I need to go in that place. I don't know the name of that place, but later on video you guys can see that place. That place looks amazing. Later on you guys will see in the video. So make sure that you guys watch the full video till end. Okay? Don't miss the part. The big fan part is the interesting thing today. Woo! So right now I'm at I don't know what's the name of this place. What's the name of this road is called? But I think it's called. It's near to the harbor. Oh no, Oriental Bay. It's near to Oriental Bay. So yeah. Yes sir. Heaps of people are outside today. Heaps of people are outside today because today is, damn it, because today is Justin Bieber concert. Today is Justin Bieber concert in Oriental Bay. Make sure you guys also turn up in his concert. What the? With heaps of cars, heaps of people out here today. Cause today is Justin Bieber concert. Cause he's my friend, and he told me he will be performing here in Oriental Bay. So look at the crowd, fam. Look at the crowd. Yeah, Justin Bieber texted me, bro. Justin Bieber texted me. I'll be in Wellington in this weekend because I'm performing there. So look at the crowd here. Woo. That's it. Make sure you guys turn it up in Oriental Parade to watch Justin Bieber. Woo! And we are, wait, still a little bit more to go. Look at this road bumper. Ooh. When I came back, I will do a double wheelie. Zoop! Like that. I will fly my bike on that bumper. So watch till end. Watch my video till end. You guys will see how I fly. How I will fly my motorbike. This is my fan. Check out the... What check out, bro? Check out my fan, bro. This is the thing. Woo! Bro, look at the view from here. hold on. Let me show you the view first. Oh my goodness, bro. Okay. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. The view. I don't know you guys can. Camera is capturing or no. But here's the rider. Rider. Why I need to park all the way that side? No need. No next one. I'll just park it here. It will be easy as over here. That's the boss parking. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here. That's my fan. I'm gonna buy that fan today for my house so that it will keep my house cool in this all summer season. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my goodness, I look like Habibti. Oh well, I forgot my cap. That's why it's a bit sunny and the sun is hitting straight in my forehead and it's burning. That's why I keep my scarf or whatever this thing is called. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm finally here to to buy my fan for the summer in my house. Look at my fan. I'm buying this fan today. This thing cost me like 15 million. That's normal. 15 million fan for my house. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm here to buy now, but I didn't see any owner. I think he might be coming soon. And then I will do a deal and then I'll just take this thing in my house. You might be wondering how I will take this one. Bro, that's easy as. Just I will put this thing in my shoulder and tie it with the rope and tie a figure eight. Oh no, I will tie a gloves knot with the rope in my shoulder in it, and then just drag it, ride it on the motorbike and drop it in my house. That's it. It's super easy as. Whew. But from here, bro, look at the view. Check out the view. This is the beautiful Wellington city. Welcome to Wellington wind turbine. That's it for today's video. What the heck? That's it for today's video. I will not be able to record a video while going home because I need to carry this thing, you know, my fan in my shoulder. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys will like this video. If you guys don't like it, let me know in the comment sections, and then I don't care. I'll try to improve myself more. But for today, that's it. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.